I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your profile details on AT&T, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the SRock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile option in the main menu. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the Profile settings, look for the Edit button next to the details you want to change. Click it to start making updates. Step 4. Update your information. Make the necessary changes to your profile details, such as your address or phone number. Be sure to double-check for typos. A quick tip: if you're re-updating your email, make sure you have access to the new email address for verification. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, scroll down and click the Save button to apply your changes. You should see a confirmation message. Updating your profile details on AT&T is straightforward. Just follow these steps, and you'll have everything updated in no time.